Hello and welcome. We're going to take a look at how to undo transitions in Shotcut. For this, we're just going to enable the timeline. I'm going to drag in a video, get it into a timeline. I'm going to get in another video, also drag it to the timeline. And now we're going to delete this space between, right-click on the yellow stuff, and I'm going to drag it over. And now I will also make some other changes. I'm going to remove this part. I'm gonna split it here, remove this part, zoom in. And now the question is how to undo this, how to make this transition not be there. We could hit Ctrl Z until we see, we undo this again. We can see in the history there are a few steps since. So let's just pretend we cannot afford to do that. We can't undo until we hit the creation of this transition. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to create a new track, because if we just delete this and then extend one of them, how do we know exactly by how much to extend the other one? Because of this, we're going to create a new video track. Let me just zoom out. We're going to move this up. It's going to stick to this end of a clip. We can move it to the side, move it back. You will notice it sticks. So that's very useful. What we're going to do now is move this transition. We're not going to remove it yet. Instead, we're going to move it here. All right, so we know exactly where this should end. And now we're going to move this edge to the left. It sticks again. And now we're going to move this edge to the right. It sticks. Now we can remove this. Let's just undo that. To not have this happen, well, we can, for one, where is that setting? Ripple all tracks. We can undo that and then remove it, or just hit the delete key. Alright. And now we can just move this down here and it'll be fine. And now we can set a different transition duration. If instead we resize this, let's try to do that. Can we grab the edge? There we go. This also works. Let's take a look at the result. Yep. If you just want to resize the transition, you can just simply grab it. Watch out for your playhead. If it's somewhere in the way, then your resize action will stick to it very hard. So you might want to move it away. But anyways, if you decide to resize it, only that you can do just super simple without having to create a new track, move stuff around. But if you want to undo the transition, then you should do what I showed you before. Yep, that's all there's to it. Hope this helped, and I hope you have fun making videos. Please subscribe to support this channel, and I'll see you next time. Until then, ciao! Meow.